Working with welding machines carries the risk of accidents caused by electric currents, burns, fire, and explosions. There are also health risks like exposure to ultraviolet radiation and toxic fumes and gases. All of these hazards can be caused by a variety of reasons. Excessive noise is generated in most welding applications. Earplugs must be worn. If not, over time, irreversible hearing loss could occur. It is also very important to note that the welding area must be kept clean. Metal shavings from grindings or slag can easily cause you to slip and fall. A clean environment is a much safer environment. These risks must be prevented by using equipment in good repair with electrode holders that firmly grasp the electrode and cables that are in good condition. Electrodes should never be changed by hand without a glove, since there is a risk of electrical contact. Electrical shocks can occur due to faulty equipment, working in wet areas, ungrounded equipment, and faulty personal protective gear. Be sure and check all welding equipment for worn or frayed cables. Use the proper personal protective gear for the application you are using. Be sure the metal you're working with is properly grounded. If not, the easiest way for electricity to go to ground is through you. Flash burn can occur when a welder looks directly at the arc without the proper eye protection. Flash burn is caused by exposure to ultraviolet radiation in which part of the cornea of the eyes is damaged. It is necessary to use a face shield with a darkened glass filter whose characteristics vary according to the intensity of the current used. Removing slag from welds made with coated electrodes should be done while wearing safety glasses. In addition, each welder must use a proper respirator to filter particulate matter and gases from entering the lungs. It is also recommended to not weld metals that have contained flammable products. Fumes become even more dangerous if welding in a confined space as oxygen levels drop. It is very important that proper ventilation be used in all welding applications. Fumes generated by paints and plastics burning off of these metals need to be properly ventilated away from the welder. Always have a fire extinguisher nearby. Fires can be caused by sparks which ignite clothing, trash bins, flammable liquids, or even defective equipment. Sparks can fly up to 35 feet from where you're welding. Be sure and move flammables 35 feet away from the area to be welded, or protect them with flame-proof covers. Never weld on containers that have previously contained combustibles. Explosions are also a concern when welding. Every welder must be aware of their surroundings and what they are welding near. Gas cylinders and all flammables must be taken into account. All safety precautions must be in accordance with the American National Safety Institute Z49.1 Safety in Welding, Cutting, and Allied Processes, which is included with this DVD. In conclusion, staying informed about the process, work environment, and potential hazards, along with keeping aware and using common sense, can potentially eliminate the hazards you'll encounter while welding.